5 brand new accessories for the Ray-Ban Metas. This one's gonna be hot. I don't know why I said that. These are very new, just hitting Amazon recently. So let's take a look. First up, we have these. Now these are super cool. Little devices that you can stick on your LED. Now there's 3 of these and they come with extra adhesive, but you don't actually need it. It's simple. You place this little tiny black thing on your LED. So the right side right here, and this removes the recording flashlight issue. So this you can rotate in and out. So anytime that it's telling you the LED is blocked, you can't record, you just leave it open, start recording, and then reclose it. It's super easy to do. But first, did you know that you have a chance to win a pair of your very own Ray-Ban Meta AI smart glasses with a bunch of accessories? Well, it's kind of like this video. You guys helped me to reach 10,000 subs, up from 1,500 in less than a month and a half. So as a thank you, I'm giving back to you, and I'm giving back to the community that helped lift me up, which is the visually impaired community. So I'll be doing a huge fundraiser in which I have to donate money, and you're also free to donate. It's gonna be a 7-day series from August 15th to the 21st of August. Watch all the days, you increase your chances because you can do 1 entry on each day. And it's just be a part of something that's giving back to a really good cause. I just want to thank you guys for getting me here, for getting this channel here, and we're just going to keep going. So the next sub celebration is going to be even bigger than this one, if you can believe that. But let's move on. Accessory number 2 is my most talked about accessory in the video where I compared 15 different transition lenses. And these are the Blazer Buck transitions. These are crazy. Here's the blue version. They're really, really good blue light glasses inside, and they have this cool mirrored tint. Here's a clip of them just like this. This is what they look like inside. And when I go outside, it gets even crazier. Honestly, this solves so many problems that colored transitions and transitions just have in general. And that's just that they never seem dark enough. No matter how dark they get, it seems like people can still see straight through to your eyes and you just kind of look ridiculous. These solve that by being mirrored transitions. Basically what mirrored means is instead of seeing through the glasses, it reflects back. And your lenses don't have to be dark to achieve this. These are green mirrored lenses for my Oakley Metas, which I absolutely love. As you can see, they reflect straight back. You can't see through them. This green color isn't that dark. It just looks dark because it's mirrored. So these are the only mirrored transitions that I know of, and they're on Amazon and they're only like 25 bucks, but they are always sold out. Let's move on to our next accessory, which is this new updated infinite battery charger. If you watch my recent video where I go through everything about how to make your Ray-Ban Metas last longer, including every single battery charger that you can use on the go when you're walking around recording, these are a new favorite. The Hyblox ones are still amazing, but these have a thicker cord for anyone worried about the Hyblox one being too thin, and the cord is 5 feet long, so it's even longer. So if the other ones were too short for you, you're like a really tall guy, then these ones are gonna be better. And if you just like tear your wires everywhere you go, these are gonna be way better for you, but they function exactly the same. This is me putting them on the glasses. You hook on the front like this and use this part to attach the side so that the cord stays nice and tidy and hidden. And then you just plug it into your phone or whatever power bank you want. Once your glasses get to around 96% charge, the flashing light on the inside of the glasses to indicate they're charging will turn from orange to green. When it's green, just make sure you disconnect the power bank or whatever it is so that you don't overcharge your glasses. Super easy. It's very easy to tell when it's flashing green instead of orange. And if you leave it on there too long, I've done this many times, it didn't really have any side effects, but if you're worried about overcharging, just be safe, you know? Unplug when it's fully charged, just like you would your phone. Okay, and up next, we have this Minimalist charging stand that's only available on their website. It's family owned, and there's a lifetime replacement warranty. So basically they'll replace it forever. It's just a really premium product that is super minimalist. Like, it feels cool. The stand is like a little heavier, but it's really small and thin and sleek, and has a grip pad on the bottom. So it just kind of grips to your table, and it's not so light that you're just gonna smack it over and break everything. But it also comes with a USB-C to C cable that is very high quality. Like, I love that they didn't just cheap out. A lot of these chargers, they're super plastic, but this one's just like hard metal, really quality cord. And this thing, it just looks so cool. I don't know how else to describe it. All you do is just plug it in to the back, plug it into another power source, which, I mean, right here I have this Ivanki power station that powers all of these monitors and connects them to my MacBook and also my external hard drive. This thing is just a beast, but plug this in and the indicator light turns on. Then you take your valuable, precious Ray-Ban Metas that you might win during the August 15th to 21st giveaway. I'm just so excited to give something to someone who might really need it, to be honest. Like, it's gonna be so cool. And then you can have the arms open, you can close the arms, you can do whatever you want. Right onto there, and then it is charging, and look how sleek it looks. Get another angle here. You see the green light to indicate it's charging. The glasses just look good. I think I'm just gonna leave my glasses here all on display because it looks kind of cool. And wait a second, we have 6 accessories. Well, you get a bonus today. Number 5, but there's also number 6. Very exciting. We have brand new, so like these just released onto their product line. Super, super cool. Mirrored lenses. Remember I was telling you how cool mirrored lenses are? For the Ray-Ban Metas, these are made by Life Art Vision, company with honestly amazing customer service. And these look good. They have so many nice colors. I've gotten so many Ray-Ban Meta lens inserts. It's insane. And yet they still managed to find a way to create colors which do not yet exist, which just look so cool. Oh, these are nice and thick. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at the quality on that. Oh my goodness. And it's nice and thick, and the back is nice and shaded. Oh my goodness. They've outdone themselves. These are even better than their last ones. Here's the light blue ones, ice blue. Oh my goodness. I'm excited to put these in. Obviously, these are all gonna come with a cleaning cloth as well as a disinfectant anti-fog wipe to get out any dust and just make them crisp and clear once you put them in. Oh, I don't know which ones I wanna do. Those look good. Those look good. Okay, sorry, I have to take you off the charger. Forgive me, family-owned company. Forgive me. Let's do, we got some blue back here, some light blue. Let's do the blue. First, we gotta pop the lenses out. I've shown this in so many videos. Really easy. Boom. I even did that one upside down. It's not that hard. You can do it pretty easily. I don't know why I made it seem like that made me cooler. I'm not. It's such a good thickness. It's crazy. 1, 2, and I'm gonna take their sanitization cleaning miracle wipe. It's just a normal wipe, but it works great. Be careful though, if you got cuts all over your fingers, might hurt a little. Fast drying, so you're gonna wanna do each section with a different part of this wet cloth, but it says to rub 10 seconds on each side of each lens. So coming right off. Okay, now we've done that, and we can try them on. Look how mirrored that is. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. I'm actually shocked. I didn't think they could make mirrored lenses better than they already do. But you're seeing this, like, look how good quality that is. Oh man, this is nice. Like, the clarity is great. The thickness is even better than it was before. It looks like they're really just improving their products with every new release. Check it out in the description if you want to. You have to go directly to their website, but I have the link right there for that and all of these, but we're not done yet. Don't click off the video. Still got the beautiful red ones. This is hard. It's so hard to, I don't know what lenses I want to leave in my glasses anymore. It might be these red ones. They're also more mirrored than I've ever seen. Like the reflectability, the reflectionism, I'm making up words now. It's just great. I think I might leave these ones in. I think I'm going to. Well, I guess it depends on what makes the thumbnail do the best. But now that we got it in, we're gonna use the anti-fog wipe. Oh, this prevents fogging, it says. So it doesn't just clean them, but prevents them from fogging up. That's cool. Guess that's why it's called an anti-fog wipe. Well, these ones, I'm gonna give a little extra touch and use one of the cleaning wipes that comes with every pair of lenses, by the way. These look good. Oh my goodness. Wow. They look even better in person. It's hard to describe, but let's try them on. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, well, that's the video. The links to all these products are in the description. This might be the last 5 accessories for a Ray-Ban Meta video that I make since, well, I don't know. We'll see. They might come out with new stuff that I've never seen before. Don't forget, giveaway week starts on October 15th to the 21st. You are not going to want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching. Till August 15th, or until tomorrow, because I post every day. These look good. Look at this. Put them on the charging case. Crisp, clean. Dedicated. Oh, I forgot. There's one more. I'm gonna have to show this in the last 30 seconds of the video because I forgot about this one. It straps on to the back of your glasses. And it functions as so you wear it, and then you don't want to wear it. You just, that's it. You can loosen it, make it come down a little farther. Works great. This is in the credits, but these honestly are, these are a great product. I'm sorry they didn't make the main video now. They're in the description too. Bonus. Okay.